Hey guys, Tammy here with MyDentalGig today to talk to you about how to set pay caps for your applicants from a PC or tablet. First off, if you have any jobs already posted, you will either want to delete those or know that they will not be reflected in these pay caps that you set. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is log in, and it's going to bring you to your job board, which is this landing page right here. From here, you're going to want to select your name at the upper right corner and move over to locations. From this section, you're going to edit settings, which is the second option here on the right in blue. And from this section, you're going to select pay rate limits. As this is an optional tab, you don't have to set this up if you don't want to. Please know that if you set this up, that all applicants will still be able to see your job posting, but they will have to agree to the lesser rate of pay if it is lesser than what they set up for their pay rate in their profile. So not to be worried there. So simply go into your pay rate limits here as noted, and you can put in one, you can put in all, you can change them periodically if you want to. This is totally up to you, and it can be based, it can differ from office to office depending upon where your office is located. Some group practices are located in various locations across the state, which do have a difference in pay rate, so that's understandable. Just make sure once you put your pay limits in, you hit save, and that will save your new pay limits. And voila, you are set to move forward with any job posting, and it will notify all job seekers of this pay cap. So I hope this was helpful for you today, and if you have any other questions, stay tuned for another video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.